Before we dive in, let me be absolutely clear. The information in this video serves educational purposes only and should never substitute professional medical guidance. Please consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new fitness regimen, particularly if you have cardiovascular conditions, joint concerns, balance difficulties, or take medications that influence blood pressure or equilibrium. Now, what if I revealed there's a straightforward exercise that could help fortify your legs, enhance your stability, and elevate your confidence, all while requiring zero equipment and consuming just minutes daily? Today we're examining the horse stance, an ancient practice that delivers genuine, practical advantages for those of us managing life beyond 50. Hello, I'm here to discuss something that's been assisting people in developing strength and stability for centuries. The horse stance isn't a miraculous remedy or elixir of youth. It's simply a pragmatic tool that can support your wellness objectives when utilized safely and regularly. Beyond 50, many of us observe changes in our equilibrium, leg power, or overall steadiness. These alterations are natural, but that doesn't mean we can't collaborate with our bodies to maintain and even enhance our functional fitness. The horse stance represents one evidence-based method that might integrate into your wellness routine, provided your physician approves. The horse stance is an isometric exercise where you position yourself with your feet broader than shoulder width apart, partially descend into a squat, and maintain the position while breathing steadily. Consider it a wall sit, but without the wall. I want to stress, this exercise isn't suitable for everyone. If you experience acute knee discomfort, recent joint surgery, uncontrolled hypertension, or balance disorders, please bypass this video and explore alternatives with your healthcare provider. For those who can safely participate, the horse stance accommodates you wherever you are. Whether you sustain it for 10 seconds or 2 minutes, whether you descend deeply or barely flex your knees, every variation can deliver benefits. Leg strength and stability. Research demonstrates we forfeit 3 to 8% of our muscle mass per decade after 30, with much of that decline occurring in our legs. The horse stance provides isometric strengthening for your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, the muscles that assist you in rising from chairs, ascending stairs, and maintaining equilibrium. However, let's be pragmatic about expectations. Substantial strength enhancements require months, not weeks, and individual outcomes vary considerably based on your initial fitness level, health conditions, and consistency. Balance and proprioception. The horse stance can help enhance proprioception, your body's awareness of its location in space. This proves important for minimizing fall risk, though I want to be transparent. No single exercise eliminates fall risk entirely. Falls are complex and depend on numerous factors including medications, vision, home environment, and overall health. Mental focus. Maintaining any challenging position demands mental concentration and can develop what researchers term exercise tolerance, your capacity to push through mild discomfort safely. This can translate to increased confidence in daily activities, though everyone's experience will differ. Circulation and core stability. The squatting position may help facilitate blood flow and activate your core muscles. Some individuals report feeling more energized, though this could result from many factors including the psychological benefits of regular physical activity. Please do not attempt the horse stance if you experience acute knee, hip, or back discomfort, recent joint surgery or injury, uncontrolled hypertension, severe balance problems, or frequent dizziness, heart conditions that restrict physical activity. Any condition your physician has advised against squatting. Additionally, cease immediately if you encounter sharp pain in any joint, dizziness or lightheadedness, chest pain or breathing difficulties, feeling faint or unsteady. Before you begin, position a sturdy chair or wall nearby for support, wear non-slip footwear or go barefoot, clear the space of any obstacles, keep water accessible, consider having someone present when first starting. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Position yourself. Stand adjacent to a wall or solid chair. Place your feet slightly broader than shoulder width, toes angled slightly outward. Step 2. Begin descent. Slowly bend your knees, maintaining your back straight. Only descend as low as feels completely comfortable. This might be merely a few inches initially, and that's perfectly acceptable. Step 3. Arrange your arms. Rest your hands on your thighs. Grasp the back of a chair for support, or place them on your hips. Select whatever feels most stable. Step 4. Hold and breathe. Maintain the position while breathing naturally. Count slowly or utilize a timer. Step 5. Rise gradually. When finished, slowly straighten your legs. If you experience dizziness, sit down immediately and wait for it to subside. Realistic progression. Week 1-2. Begin with 5 to 10 seconds. Once daily. Week 3-4. Target 15 to 20 seconds if comfortable. Month 2. Work toward 30-45 seconds. Long term. Build very gradually toward 1-2 minutes. Remember, some days you'll feel stronger, others weaker. That's normal. Always listen to your body. A 2018 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity discovered that isometric exercises can enhance leg strength in older adults by 5,015% over 8 to 12 weeks. Research in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation reveals that balance training can reduce fall risk by approximately 20-25% in community-dwelling older adults. However, most studies involve supervised programs with multiple exercises, not just one stance. The horse stance represents one tool among many for healthy aging. I want to share about Robert, a 68-year-old subscriber who initiated the horse stance very gradually. After 3 months, not 3 weeks, of consistent practice, beginning with just 8 seconds daily, he reported feeling more confident on uneven surfaces. Notice I mentioned 3 months, and notice his improvement concerned confidence, not dramatic transformation. Genuine change requires time, and everyone's journey appears different. If your physician approves and you decide to try this, I'd love to hear about your experience after a complete month, not a week. Real changes in strength and balance take time to develop. Please subscribe if you value honest, safety-focused wellness content. This channel focuses on practical strategies for healthy aging, not miracle promises or overnight transformations. Next week, we'll explore chair-based exercises for those who cannot or shouldn't perform standing exercises like the horse stance. We'll also cover warning signs that any exercise isn't appropriate for you. Coming up, I'll be interviewing a physical therapist who specializes in fall prevention to discuss evidence-based balance strategies that extend far beyond any single exercise. Remember, healthy aging isn't about reversing the clock. It's about working intelligently with the body you possess today. The horse stance might serve as one useful tool in your wellness arsenal, or it might not suit you at all. Both outcomes are perfectly acceptable. Your safety and well-being surpass any exercise in importance. Be patient with yourself, celebrate modest improvements, and always prioritize what feels appropriate for your body. Take care, and I'll see you next video.